Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial video of TokenTool. Today I'm going to introduce to you how to use the TokenTool platform to create tokens on Letsbonk and bundles bought them. First we go to the page of creating tokens and bundling buys on Letsbonk, then connect to the mainnet.
Next, connect the wallet. We choose the Phantom wallet.
After a successful connection, you can see the wallet address. Now, let's start the operation. First we fill in the token name. The maximum length should not exceed 32 characters.
Then fill in the token symbol.
The maximum length should not exceed 10 characters. After that we click to upload the logo.
And select a picture.
Now we enter the purchase amount. Below that is to add contact information,
which is optional,
and you can add it by yourself. The introduction is also optional, and you can add it on your own. Next is to import a secondary account. For priority purchases, you can choose the RPC and the GTO bundling tip fee by yourself. Then we imported the wallet. Fill in the private key, and click Confirm. Now we can see the SOL balance in the wallet. Next, fill in the purchase amount. Note that all the fees here are paid by the currently connected wallet, and the GTO tip fee is paid by the last wallet. After filling in all the information, we click Create Now. Then the wallet will pop up, and we click Confirm. If the creation is successful, a pop-up window will appear, showing the token address. Well, that's the whole process. If you still have any questions, you can check our tutorial documents, or ask questions in our community. Okay, that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.